In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get list of participants. Zoom. If you hosted a Zoom meeting and need an attendance report, the quickest way to get it is through the Zoom web portal, not the desktop app. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few tips to make sure you get exactly the information you need. First, open your web browser, go to the Zoom website, and sign into your account. You'll land on your account dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and find Reports. Click that. Then choose Usage or Usage Reports, depending on what your account calls it. This is where Zoom keeps the meeting activity logs that include attendance details. Next, set the date range so it covers the day the meeting took place. If you're not seeing your meeting right away, expand the range a little and make sure you're looking at the correct time frame. When you're ready, click Search. Zoom will list all the meetings that occurred within that period, including their topics, start times, and key stats. In the meeting list, look for the Participants column. You'll see a blue number next to each meeting. That number is clickable, and it's the key to your attendance details. Click it to open a detailed participant list for that specific meeting. This window shows who attended, along with their join time, leave time, and the total duration they were connected. If someone dropped and rejoined, you might see multiple entries for the same person. To clean that up, use the Show Unique Users option, which combines multiple joins from the same attendee into a single line so your head count is accurate. If you want to save or share the report, you can export it. Before exporting, you can also choose Export with meeting data to include the meeting topic, date, and duration at the top of the file. When everything looks good, click Export, and Zoom will download a CSV file to your computer. A CSV file opens in spreadsheet apps like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers, where you can sort, filter, and format the data for your records. This is especially helpful if you track attendance over time or need to share it with a team. Keep in mind, the report reflects what Zoom captured during the session, including display names and timestamps, which is usually sufficient for attendance verification. That's it. Sign in, go to Reports, search for your meeting, click the participant count, and export the CSV. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.